In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Gemini. Connecting your Drive lets Gemini securely reference your documents, spreadsheets, and slides when you ask for help, making it easier to summarize notes, draft emails from outlines, or pull details from project files. First, open your Gemini account. Use your browser or the Gemini app and sign in with the Google account that owns the drive you want to use. Take a second to confirm you're in the right profile, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts, so the correct drive will be available. If you're prompted to choose an account, select the one tied to the drive you plan to use and stick with that login across devices for a smooth, consistent experience. Next, go to Settings. On desktop, look for the gear icon near the top of the Gemini interface. On mobile, open your profile menu and choose Settings. This area controls your preferences, data connections, and app integrations. In Settings, select Connected Apps. This page lists services that can work with Gemini. You may see items like Maps, Calendar, or other integrations. We're interested in the option that manages access to your Google Files. Now, enable Google Workspace. Find Google Workspace in the list and turn it on, or click Connect. Gemini may show a permission screen asking to access your Google Drive. Review the notice so you understand what's being shared, then confirm to grant access. After you approve, you should see the status change to Connected, indicating Gemini can work with your Drive content when you ask it to. In some setups, you might also see simple controls for what kinds of files Gemini can reference. If you're unsure, the default setting is fine and you can adjust it later in the same spot. A quick note on privacy and control. This connection doesn't make your entire drive public. Gemini uses the files you point it to and follows your account's sharing rules. You can return to this same Connected Apps section anytime to view the status or disconnect access if your needs change. Take a moment to look over the connection details so you're comfortable with what's enabled. If you don't see Google Workspace listed, refresh the page and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Some organizations manage integrations centrally, so if you're on a work or school account, availability may depend on your administrator's settings. And that's it. By opening your Gemini account, heading into Settings, choosing Connected Apps, and enabling Google Workspace, you've connected Google Drive to Gemini. With this in place, you'll be able to ask Gemini to reference your files to save time and stay organized, while keeping control over what you share.